Hello everyone, I am Aimee Luis Mejia from BSHM 13 and I am taking Hospitality Management in line with cruise ship. We are going to explain the correlation of hospitality management and purposive communication. So, what is hospitality management? Hospitality management is about giving service with the capability to satisfy its guests communicatively. It is a day-to-day communication with people such as providing accommodation, food and beverage services, and organizing events. Hospitality management usually offers services, in particular with housekeeping, concierge, travel, relaxation services, and reception. Working in the hospitality industry may seem simple because of the common chores that we do on our day-to-day basis, but every service requires professional skills and expertise. Most of all, hospitality course needs an individual who has communication skills and on-hand expertise. Communication skills play a vital role in the hospitality sector. It is important to make the guests feel welcome and given attention to what they need by listening and understanding them. Nonverbal communication such as smiling, nodding, posture, and tone of voice are very important in communicating with the guests. Having communication ethics, being honest, and approaching a conflict through integrating style are some of the best qualifications an employee needs in dealing with dissatisfied and demanding guests. Being culturally aware is correlated to the way we talk with our guests, and it is salient to be mindful of how we express our thoughts and style upon giving a response to the guests. There can be different people from different cultures whom we can encounter, and it is crucial to not label and degrade other cultures just because it is out of our interests. We must be conscious of how we speak to avoid treating them differently, such as stereotyping. Being expressive is unnecessary and invasive to other guests because it isn't right to talk about personal matters with guests unless they are the ones who ask for it. It's better to keep the conversation interactional and transactional to avoid property invasion and making the guests feel uncomfortable while staying at the hotel. Hospitality students needs to understand the culture of their guests, and keeping the conversation professional is mandatory in hospitality management. Ma'am, sir, and Mr. and Mrs. are the proper terms used in referring or addressing a guest to give respect rather than colloquial terms such as daddy, hey, or bro. We need to assure that the guest understood the message in the way we intended and vice versa. Guests will mostly come back if they had a good experience of communication with the employees. It builds a relationship between the guest and the hotel, making them feel welcome. Communication skill is a knowledge for oneself. It is a good practice to speak English as it reflects our attitude in service. That's all.